This is Dave with ToothyGrinsStore.com, and I'm here to share with you a little story I wrote about myself on this blog. It's how I saved myself from a deep cleaning treatment. And I'm the author of this book you see here in the center, What You Should Know About Gum Disease. You should pick up a copy because if this is a topic that has meaning to you, which it should have to most people, because it turns out about 75% or 3 out of every 4 people have some gum disease right now. You can ask your dentist, they'll confirm that statistic for you. So this is my story here, how I saved myself from a deep cleaning treatment. This is also called a scaling and root planing treatment, or an SRP. This was something I did at home, and I was able to avoid this scaling and root planing treatment, and that was verified by my dentist. My dentist had been the one pushing me for a couple years to get one, and I kept putting it off, and I kept trying different things. I tried different mouthwashes, toothpaste, blah, 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 you name it. I finally came across some answers that actually worked, and when I went back to my dentist, she said, okay, whatever you're doing, keep it up, and you don't need that treatment anymore. And I'm going to put a link to this blog post. You can read the whole story for yourself here. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dentist, and I am not providing you medical advice, but I am telling you something that worked for me. And maybe if you're in the situation that I was in, or something similar, it might help you too. So have a great day, and check out the link under the video to get to this blog post. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel.